To fix the problem when your Google Pixel phone is running slow, there's a few things we can do. And the first one is to check our notifications bar and see if there's something like a timer running in the background. If there is, then you can disable it by clicking on the notification, and then there should be a disable button. When the notification is gone, your phone should speed up a little. Next thing we can do is shut down any currently running apps, and in this case let me open it, for example 3 apps. We can click on the running apps button right here, then move to the left and clear all of the apps that are running in the background. As you can see, there's no recent items. Our phone should also speed up by doing this. Next thing we can do is remove unwanted apps or files. You can remove files in the Files app, and then there's downloads, any other categories right here. Choose whichever one you like and then remove the files that may be blocking your phone. And if you want to uninstall apps, in this case we can go for a Messenger, go for app and app info, and then uninstall it like that. Okay, so next thing we can try is downloading the antivirus on our phone. You can try the good old Avast. Select the app in Google Play Store, install it. When you open it, you'll be able to perform the scan on your device to see if there's any viruses that may be slowing down your phone. So there's a scan going in the background right now. Also, when you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to buy their service, but the overall Avast should work without any payments. There's a free version for it. You can scan for viruses with ads. So do that, and when it's done, your phone should speed up. And the last thing we can do is go into our settings, not the home settings, but just a settings. Then in the display and touch, there's a setting called display refresh rate, smooth display. You can try enabling or disabling it, and then you may feel a difference in the speed of your phone. As you can see, it's a bit choppy when the smooth display is disabled, and when we enable it, it goes much smoother.